Renew and restore your plumbing from the inside out with ePIPE, the proven and patented alternative to conventional repiping. ePIPE has been the industry leader in pipe restoration technology since 1999. Our award-winning solution has been used by homeowners, apartments and condominiums, hospitals and hotels, schools and universities, senior living, government and HUD properties nationwide. Thousands of property owners have chosen ePIPE to protect their home and business from pinhole leaks, lead leaching, and related repairs. This short video will help educate you on the ePIPE process of pipe restoration. A typical ePIPE restoration project begins with our certified technicians setting up the equipment and preparing the home. The equipment is usually set up in or around the garage area. As part of the setup, our technicians put protective coverings on your floors, protecting them. ePIPE's patented process consists of 3 steps. First, the portion of the piping system that is being restored is drained of water, and each outlet is connected with a series of hoses. The pipes are drained using heated compressed air that is pumped through the piping system. Next, the piping system is burst sanded with an abrasive grit that is selected for the job. This removes corrosion and prepares the pipe wall for the final process application of the barrier coating. Finally, an approved NSF barrier coating is applied throughout the system. After, the barrier coating is cured and each outlet is reconnected with new shutoff valves and flex lines. The system is flushed with water and returned to service, providing you with a maintenance-free water system. Thank you for your interest in ePIPE. We are proud to provide our customers with a quality, cost-effective alternative to conventional repiping. To learn more about the proven patented ePIPE solution, visit our website, restoremypipes.com.